And plus, panawan na gayin pamding na mambatan baham and all that. I was sexually assaulted like by one of my neighbors, but I won't mention. That time it was during when I was seven, between the ages of 7 to 10. I was going through my battles, my demons and whatnot.
Hang ko ba mata.
Pray. God is there. He's always listening. Even though we feel like He's not there, He's always there.
Kung mga omani pide bimdera atek person man sa lede kamera ban kre asala isnem to ile DJ ile di parla pe sham tapi sa item put the other things there and then many other activities ah. Ngam mudur nga dalam pas zaman wadatang ya ke alien ke ero aso tengi ata kata dong seriously be. How do you do it?
Waking up that knock, glad keep parlok siya, one place to. Because actually, it was my friend Kevin who inspired me, paning ko balik kiniki competitive exams.